Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you this amazing skin whitening remedy. This is one day challenge friends. If you follow these steps you will never worry about your skin problems. Your skin will be lightening and whitening. You know these home remedies are very effective for all of you. Otherwise it will be very beneficial for your skin, so you can accept this one day challenge and follow this process. You can see how it will work with your skin. Your skin will be glow. Before I start the video, I have a small request. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's see how to do this one day challenge to get glowing and whitening skin. Take a cotton pad and dip into the water, then clean your face very well. For the first step, take a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix well. Coffee powder works amazingly with your skin. It helps to remove tan on your skin. Coconut oil and sugar will help to lighten your skin color. Now apply this paste on your face. Gently massage. This will help to clean your pores. If you have blackheads and whiteheads, they will be removed fastly. This is very effective scrub to treat your all skin problems. After scrubbing, wash your face. You can see after scrubbing my face glowing. Let's see second step of this one day challenge. To make this face pack, take a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder, 1 teaspoon of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of multani mitti powder, 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and 1 teaspoon of curd. Now mix well. Then add half slice of lemon juice. Mix again. Now apply all over your face. You know gram flour is a good cleanser and it will help to improve your skin color. Also sandalwood powder is a good for glowing skin and it will help to remove tan and scars on your face. Coffee will help to brighten your skin color. You know lemon juice is full with vitamin C. It will help to improve your skin color. Curd is another best option to improve your skin color complexion. It's full with lactic acid and helps to brighten your skin instantly. Multani mitti helps to clean your face and remove extra oil on your face. It also helps to remove dark spots and hyperpigmentation. After apply this face pack, you have to wait until dry. You can see now it's dry. Don't wash it directly. You have to wet your hand and do massage 2 to 3 minutes like this. It will help to remove dead skin cells and improve your skin color. Also, this massage helps to improve blood circulation. After 2 to 3 minutes, wash it off with normal water. Wow, you can see friends, my skin complexion is improved and it's glowing. Friends, this is very effective one day challenge. Don't miss it and try it today. Hope you like this video and get something knowledge. So please give your valuable comment and like for this video. See you soon with next video. Till then, bye bye.